Gouache lovers, hello newbie. Hi, it's me Tracy Ann, and I'm here with a book review. Yes, this is the quick tip gouache guide that I've actually packed everything that I know all together in this one little booklet. It is currently on Amazon. Let me give you a close up. There. Awesome. So when I started, I really liked gouache, but I didn't know much about it. And I searched all over the internet, watched videos, read books, typed up, Googled to find out what gouache was really about. Because I wanted to find something that wasn't really watercolor, but vibrant enough. So gouache was what did it for me. And my first palette I bought that was dry gouache, and then I totally fell in love with it, and I ended up doing jelly gouache, and I'm stuck. I use watercolor every now and then, like for background staining and so forth, but gouache is my magic painting medium. And I'm so happy to put everything that I know that I think you need as a newbie or an advanced artist as well, just to refresh your memory. So this little booklet, Let's Gouache Reference Guide, it's by me, and it's got a lot of tips and how to, and just quick guides. I get to the point. I don't like to go around and around and around in circles just to get to one point. So they're all not really bullet forms, but they're just quick tidbits. Alright, so this is the interior. Just a quick little, so I do talk about methods and techniques and styles and archival inks, and I've not done glazing and so forth, but just the idea, and I give a few reference of my painting as well, my artwork, and just to see what the result looked like when you're using gouache, and the methods and the blending techniques and so forth. So anything you want to know, really, and the consistency of mixing paints and what they look like, what they should look like, when you should use them, how to layer your paper, and the best type of paper to use. Not so much in depth with the paper yet. Maybe part 2 is coming up. Quick. But it is really good if you are brand new. You don't have to go all over the internet and the books and all of that. Everything that you want to know is already in this book. Alright, so here are just a few little bit of my illustrations for when using different techniques. You can have a look at those and use them, or paint along, see if you can get the same style or design. But the methods that I've indicated or highlighted in this book will definitely help you. Like, I'll tell you what mixing. So mixing and applying gouache and what you should know. And I give you an idea of what I use at home. So these are practical images that I use every day. So it's not something that's all dolled up or glossied up just because I'm doing a video or I'm doing, you know, making a book. These are practical. No, they're not even edited like in Photoshop or anything. These are exactly what you see is what I do. So even this picture here, you can see the paper texture itself. You can see the water on it. So it's nothing photoshopped up. So this is the real result of what I get. Even the photos that you have here, they're not even Photoshop up or anything. These are the actual result. You can see the pigment in them and see the paper separation slightly and so forth. So these are real practical example. All they're done is enlarged, that's all. So you can actually have it in a book format. So this book is not designed for perfection, but it's designed for you to actually have a practical knowledge of what you will see, what you will expect, but from afar they look amazing, right? But when you go close up, you get to see the type of paper, how it actually look close up as well. So not to be alarmed if you're a newbie and you're actually using gouache. These are real results that you should expect, but they are great images once you've done them. If you look at my moon painting, it looks really good from afar. But when you go close up, you can actually see the texture popping out with the water ripples. That is used in the thick out of the tube method technique to actually get these results. But they're close up, you'll see exactly what they look like the paper, the paint. So this is what this book is all about. Alright, so I really hope you can go ahead and get your copy. It is currently on Amazon. I have the ebook as well as I have the hard copy, which I do have here. Go ahead, get your copy, send it to someone, read it yourself. Or if you've read it, give me a review and let me know what you think about it. Alright, maybe I need to do some correction or add part 2. But hey, this is just my little contribution back to the gouache squad, the gouache lovers squad, because I found it difficult to get information on gouache. So I thought, hey, let's take my time of all these moon series that I've been doing and just put them in a nice booklet for you and myself, so we can both learn something and not just grab a tip here and then it's all gone, but we actually record what we know. Alright, so thank you gouache lovers for your support. Thank you newbies and all the YouTubers out there who really spend the time to actually give some insightful information about gouache and tips and tricks, even watercolor too. Thank you so much. Thumbs up to you guys. So this book is all dedicated to you all. Alrighty, God bless and thank you so much for watching. Catch you next time.